Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make simple sauerkraut. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 medium head of green cabbage, weighing about 3 pounds, and 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt, like sea salt or kosher salt. Also, prepare a 1 quart or 2 quart glass jar with a tight-fitting lid, a large mixing bowl, and a pounder or wooden spoon. These basic items are all you need to begin your delicious fermentation journey. Now let's prepare the cabbage. Start by removing any bruised outer leaves and setting aside a few whole ones. Then, quarter the cabbage, remove the tough core, and thinly slice it into fine shreds. Place these shreds into a large bowl and sprinkle with 2 tablespoons of salt. Begin massaging the salt into the cabbage for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll notice the cabbage softening and releasing its own liquid, forming a natural brine. Next, it's time to pack your cabbage. Tightly press the salted cabbage into your clean glass jar, ensuring it's fully submerged under its own liquid brine. This is crucial to prevent mold. Place one of the reserved whole cabbage leaves on top to keep any smaller pieces submerged. Then, seal the jar with a lid, making sure it allows gases to escape, or use an airlock. This creates the perfect environment for fermentation. Now for the waiting game. Store your jar at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Ferment for anywhere from 3 days to 4 weeks, tasting periodically until it reaches your desired tanginess. Once it's perfect, transfer your homemade sauerkraut to the refrigerator. It will last for several months there, continuing to develop its delicious, complex flavors. Enjoy your simple, nutritious, and incredibly satisfying homemade sauerkraut.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.